Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Welcome to today's video. If you just joined me, my name is Elizabeth and I do cleaning motivation, laundry videos, grocery hauls, sometimes a little bit of lifestyle. So I am sharing with you today a laundry which is a full day laundry. I'm going to be washing and hanging, even though the hanging part, I don't know what happened. I thought I was filming, but I can't find the clip here. I went to the recycle bin, there is nothing. It means I was just scamming myself by putting up the camera and without pressing the record button. I don't know, it's not there in the clips, but anyway, before folding the laundry you have to dry it first. So I always hang it out on the sun so that it can dry out. Even though I spin it before hanging it out, I dry it halfly. So I'm just sorting out the laundry. This is a very old video that I was lazy to edit. Not exactly lazy, but I was so swamped. Guys, when I check the pockets there, I'm hoping sometimes to find a little bit of a money, like a note money, but dololo. There is nothing. People clean their pockets before they take their clothes to the laundry basket. But anyway, when I get money, I get the money and I just keep quiet. So I'm just going to just clean the whites first and others later. So from here I'm gonna spin this and rinse them, and yeah, like that. So how have you been, guys? How have you been? I have a little bit of something to share with you that I don't think it's fair. I went to the restaurant some other time. It was a birthday lunch and I found that disturbing. Guys, I know that some of the restaurants, they don't pay their employees, they manage them on tips. But what if, guys, I don't feel like tipping, or I feel like your service wasn't satisfactory, or I don't even have the tip? I think it's unfair to those people that are working, because you can't just employ people and not give them a minimum salary, guys. I think it is only fair to give them minimum salary, and then we tip on what we think they are deserving. So at that restaurant, they are not even getting any salary, and it's a restaurant at a bigger mall here in Limpopo, Mall of the North. Yeah, Mall of the North. I don't normally go there, but that day we went because all the restaurants were full of people. It was payday around 15th here. Then that lady, our food made up to 781, and she explained we wanted to swipe the card. She explained that in this money that is appearing on the slip, there is already a 10% tip for her. So if we pay with a card, it means the 10% is no longer coming to her. It's going to be charged by the machine. The machine is going to take, I don't know what was she explaining there, but eventually she's not gonna get the 10% if we swipe. She insisted we get on the cash. That puzzled me. Why should we pay on cash when we can swipe right there and there? But anyway, on top of that 781, because we didn't know that already they have billed us the 10%, their NEV. What if I don't want to pay that 10% of the tip? So on top of that bill, we paid a certain amount, which is not even 10%. The 10% was supposed to be 78 rand, but we paid a certain amount, which is lesser than the 10%. Now, we gave the lady the total. I think she was just complaining and telling us that, hey, they are not paying them, so we must tip them, we must give them cash. Where she's staying, she's getting a taxi, it's costing her 50 rand. So singena phi mina ngingena kuphi, angingeni indawo. You agreed to the job that doesn't pay, and it doesn't guarantee that I am gonna pay a 10% tip. It's not a forcing matter. It's only decent that I pay 10%. Guys, judge me if you can, but I pay because I want. I'm not forced. So that lady, I felt she was forcing the matter. She even went to the other table and took their bill to us for what? She said, look at those people. They ate 400 rand meal. They gave me 50 rand. They gave me a money better than yours. That statement got into my nerve. The money that is better than yours. And you ate a lot of money. So just because we ate a lot of money, we must pay her a lot of money. What if it's the last money that we ate and we don't even have a bus fare to go back home? So that one, I said, no, I'm no longer coming to this restaurant to be nagged to pay 10%. Yes, it's only decent, guys. Believe me, I pay my tip. Where is it written that tips should be this amount? I used to order food from Uber Eats. There's an option of paying a tip. I don't do that. Sometimes I believe it's your job to do that thing. You are assigned to eat. You get your salary. Me paying that is only from my good heart. And if I have the money, guys, I'm not forced. And I'm not stingy. I do pay, guys, but that lady got into my nerve when she says this table paid a better tip than yours and you ate a lot of money. When they have already billed us the 10% of her tip. No, guys, that is too much. Correct me if I'm wrong or if I'm stingy, but I'm not being stingy here. I work for my money. Serious. If someone signed for something that she's not going to be paid and expect us to tip her like forcefully, so no, it's not going to work. So I decided I'm no longer going there. No, I'm no longer going there. Guys, na ke tlo ropiwa. I ke ropiwi, but I ke tlo forciwa go dira ntho e ke sa nyakeng. No, I'm not going to be forced to do something that I don't really want. What if that day I'm in a bad mood financially and I just want to cheer up my mood with a cocktail or a juice or something, so I have to pay the tip? I don't have. So anyway, guys, let's go back to the laundry. I told you guys that I've lost a clip of hanging the laundry, so it's a full day laundry. And yeah, just let's have a discussion in the comment section, guys. Do you tip? Are you forced to tip those guys? Or are you doing it from the good of your heart? What is it? If you don't have, if you don't have money, you don't have money. If I don't have, I don't have. So it only means that I will go to that restaurant when I have a chunk of money so that I can go and pay their salary on behalf of their managers. I think those people who are not paying their waiter and waitresses are very, very unfair. You can't be working for tips. What if people who are dining on your restaurant or having lunch there, they just go there, have lunch and do not have extra money for tips? It means those guys are working for free. For your own restaurant, no, guys. That I think that one is so unfair. So guys, please comment down below if I'm being harsh on paying less or not paying the tip sometimes. Anyway, I'm rambling and I'm getting emotional because that lady, I felt she was pushing me to the edge. That is my money that I do not get easily. So you can't force me to do things that I don't want, or to force me to do things that I don't have extra cash for them. So anyway, let's get into the laundry, and do subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. I love you so much and enjoy the rest of the video, guys. Comment down below and yeah, share if you can. I love you so much.